So here's my 2018 1000 Vstrom DL, and here's the PL3105CAM pannier rack, Givi, and there is the SL250 Toolbox mounting kit, which is the TL3112Kit. So far, all I've had to do to get this to fit is down here I've added one of these, an M6 nut, just to, you know, as a larger washer, because I don't know whether the camera will pick it up. This support bracket, that's slightly offset. This piece here, if that nut wasn't there, it would pull in and bend. Hopefully you can see that a little bit better. So here's the actual toolbox. Now, after offering this up to the mounting plate, I've noticed that the bit, one of these, is supposed to go through on the inside that you drill out. That will not go because of the frame of the pannier rack. So I've worked out all I'm going to have to do is drill the two top holes and then drill this bottom hole, and then using a smaller bolt pass it through the mounting kit to get it to bolt on. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, for this bottom mounting point here, I've utilised one of these, an M6 roofing bod. It's got the flathead, the cross drive, and all I've done is I've cut it down using a hacksaw to the right length. Okay, there we go. There's it fitted. Just remember though, I haven't got the actual cover door on the toolbox at the moment. That's not too bad. And Givi say it wouldn't fit. Okay, with a little bit of modification, it does quite nicely. So my next job is to modify the pannier rack up here. I'm waiting on some parts that aren't due to turn up for at least a month. So I can have either the Outback Tracker panniers, or I can have one of these old retro type of pannier. So all I need to do is sort out the locking mechanism in the middle here. So that will most probably be another video. Anyway, I really hope you found this useful, especially if you've been looking at a toolbox for the 2017 to 2018 Vstrom 1000. there you go. Now it you know it fits. Cheers.